Thank you, Madam Toastmaster. A little bit more information on what ART is doing. The High Performance Leadership Project is for advanced Toastmasters who are working on a leadership track, and Toastmasters on their way to become a DTM, like Arnie is, for example. And to get what we call Advanced Leader Silver, that's one of the requirements. On the High Performance Leadership Project, Art explained it to you, but basically it's a little more complex than that. There are manuals specifically for it. As it turns out, there is a guidance committee that aids the individual who is working on the High Performance Leadership Project to get through that project, and I happen to be on Art's guidance committee. That's probably why I'm evaluating him today. So it's quite a bit of effort, but I wanted you all to be aware this is part of the overall Toastmasters program and the leadership track, and it's something that when you're ready to be at that point in your Toastmasters career, it's there waiting for you. And it's not an easy thing to do, and it can take some time, but it's worth every bit of it. Now, Art started out, Art had a little bit of trouble at the beginning because, first of all, he was late. I'm sure there was a good reason for that because Art is never late unless he has a good reason. He knew he had to set up a projector, and he didn't have that opportunity, so when he tried to do it, when he was introduced, you knew that wasn't going to work because the projector hadn't even warmed up. Fortunately, the Toastmaster switched the speakers, which gave Art a chance to get the projector going, but I guess it never really did. Anyway, so Art did the next best thing and said, the heck with it, I'll just do it without the projector. And he did just fine. He just forgot that he ever had projection of slides and went ahead and explained the slides. And so I thought this was very effective. Now, I happen to have already seen the slides because I was guidance committee. So I saw them what they looked like before the ones he was going to show you today, and I can tell you there was an improvement. We had a guidance committee on Wednesday, meeting on Wednesday night, so Art had made some initial slides, which were really very pretty slides. And then he made some changes based on the guidance from the committee. So I commend you. In fact, he did it within a half hour from the time we hung up the phone. So a very, very productive way to go about that. So that was probably your biggest handicap, is all the best laid plans of mice and men kind of thing did not come about. Now, a few things about the way you presented it itself. First of all, you talked a little bit about needing to do a high performance leadership, but you really needed to this club to give the introductory information that I gave at the beginning of the evaluation of where it fit into the program. Because I'm sure that after you spoke, what was he talking about? And I hope that with my evaluation, you're not scratching your head quite as hard on that question. Another area I thought would have been improved, you talked about the mission and the vision and the core values. These are the three things that focused on in the particular, this part of the project. I thought you should have listed them. I'm going to talk about the goals. The mission, the values, or rather the vision and the core values or goals. And then explain them one at a time. So we knew ahead of time what you were going to talk about, had a picture that, oh, let's talk about three things, he's on the second one now. Instead, you kind of ran them together. It would have been a little hard to follow. I mean, I was able to follow it for obvious reasons, but it might have been hard for others. I thought you wrapped it up very effectively. You wrapped the district theme, you had the obligatory demurring to the district governor's theme. There's other words for that, but you've done that very well through this whole project, and Mike has been gloating. Mike, our district governor, Mike Marshall. And you tied the district theme with the project itself and its importance, and then why it was important to us as members of the club and to the club, and pointed out the ribbons and so forth. So I thought this was an effective wrap-up, and it would have been even more effective if you just returned control of the Toastmasters instead of thanking us. And Toastmasters. Great.